Good morning, kids! Today, Nana Monkey is waking up early. He stretches his arms, rubs his eyes, and jumps out of bed. But wait! His tractor is waiting for him outside. Can you stretch your arms just like Nana Monkey? Nana Monkey brushes his teeth, eats a banana, and grabs his farmer hat. He is ready for a brand new adventure. But where will he go today? Kids, where do you think Nana Monkey should go first? To the farm? To the river? Or to the market? Let's find out together. Can you all say vroom vroom with Nana Monkey? 1, 2, 3, vroom vroom! Nana Monkey drives to the farm. The sun is shining. The grass is green. And guess who he meets first?
Okay.
Bella, the cow. Can you moo like Bella the cow? Oh, great job!
Yay!
Bella shows Nana Monkey a basket of fruit, but oh no, the bananas are missing. Children, can you help Nana Monkey find the bananas? Look left, look right, look carefully in the trees. Sharing makes everyone smile. Nana Monkey and Bella eat together and laugh. Now it's time to say goodbye to Bella. Everyone say, bye-bye, Bella. Next, Nana Monkey drives his tractor to the river. The water sparkles under the sunshine. Splash! Splash! Can you hop like Robbie? Jump up, jump down. Boing, boing. Children, let's help Nana Monkey cross the bridge. Step by step, slowly, carefully. 1, 2, 3.
Boing. Okay.
By the river, all the animals sing together. Sing along, kids. Let's do it again. Adventure time is fun to go. Now, Nana Monkey drives into the forest. Tall trees, colorful birds, and a cool breeze.
Hello? Hello? Hi there.
Can you flap your arms like wings and say hello like Polly? Hello, hello. Can you see Nana Monkey? Look carefully. Is he behind the tree? Yes, you found him.
One banana, 2 apples, 3 mangoes.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Yay, you are super counters. Nana Monkey drives deeper into the forest. After so much adventure, it's time for a picnic. Nana Monkey stops under a big, shady tree. Everyone shares food. Sharing is caring, kids. Banana, apple, mango pie. Sharing food will make us smile.
Banana, apple, mango pie. Together we are strong.
Blow, blow, blow. Look at the bubbles flying high. After a joyful picnic, it's time for the final surprise. Everyone in the village is getting ready for the grand tractor parade. Nana Monkey has cleaned his shiny red tractor. He has tied balloons, ribbons, and colorful flags on it. Doesn't it look amazing, kids? But wait, Nana Monkey wants you to join the parade too. Can you clap your hands to start the tractor's engine?
Parade! Parade! Hooray! Hooray!
The day ends with laughter, music, and joy. Nana Monkey says, "Together, we made this the happiest day ever." Remember, kids, adventures are more fun when you share them with friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and always help each other. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye, kids. Children, please subscribe Nana Monkey YouTube channel and press bell button for next adventurious video. And share this video with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.